If d denotes a decimal, is d greater than or equal to 0.5? The answer to the question is to be given in this form of either yes or no. The first statement says that when d is rounded to the nearest tenth. Let me quickly explain that if we have a number abc.def, then d is called the 10th digit, E is called the 100th digit, we always have this th coming here, F is called the 1000th digit, C is the unit place, B is the tens place, and A is the hundreds place, and so on. So when D is rounded to the nearest tenth, that means at this place, the result is 0.5. Now there are various possibilities of D that we can look at. For example, D could have been a value such as 0.49 because when it is rounded to this place, the number becomes 0.5. And this 0.49 is less than 0.5. That means the answer to the question would be no, D is not greater than 0.5. The second possibility is that D could be a value such as 0.51. When rounded to this place, it again becomes 0.5, and 0.51 is greater than 0.5, so answer could be yes as well. Since we have inconsistent answers to the question, therefore we say that the first statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Option A and D at this stage are out. The second statement says that when D is rounded to the nearest integer, the result is 1. That is possible only if D is greater than or equal to 0.5, because the nearest integer of a value such as 0.49999 will be equal to 0. Since the nearest integer of the result is 1, so D can be any value which is greater than or equal to 0.5. In fact, if I have to give the exact range, I will say it has to be greater than or equal to 0.5 and it is less than 1.5. Either way, the answer to the question is definitely yes. So the second statement alone is sufficient and the answer to the question becomes option B, because the first statement alone is not sufficient but the second alone is sufficient. Thank you so much.